Welcome to this special update by FE Builds. During the process of upgrading this vehicle, I was walking under the vehicle and just taking a good look at it. And I noticed this plastic box, the carbon box. And I took note of the soft plastic cover around it, and I was very concerned because with my kind of driving, I was very concerned that it could easily get damaged by a rock that somehow slides in there. And I thought about it, but I didn't really know what to do. At one of the Jimny gatherings that we had in our city, I met two awesome people, Craig and his wife Heather, and they just so happened to have a solution for this. They had fabricated and made one for their own vehicle, and it just so happened that they had spares. So a special thank you to Craig and Heather for supplying me with one of your spare carbon canister protectors. And I would like to encourage you as you watch this video. They've also got a channel on YouTube. It's called Foosh Adventures. Take a visit, check out their channel, subscribe, and support them. They are awesome people. So this was a prototype. It wasn't complete. Craig advised me to drill some holes for sand and mud to drain out, and also water not to collect there. And special thanks to Claude, who you see in the video, from Tiger Wheel and Tire Walmer, and Johan from Tiger Wheel and Tire Walmer. They helped me to drill these holes and actually to mount this up. So special thanks to you also. If you're in the Port Elizabeth area and you need wheel alignment, you need new wheels, if you need to get your suspension checked, you can also go to them. They're really good with Jimnys and other vehicles, and they are awesome guys. The team that they have there is awesome. If you want something similar for your vehicle and you've had similar concerns and you're looking for a good quality one, I see that Street Track Life also sells one. It's also really good. There's just one bolt in front that goes on this particular one and one at the back, and there's a small bracket that actually holds the guard in place. So we had to take off this plastic guard so the new guard could fit, and it was fairly easy. It simply takes as long as this video is to put it in. So you can see that one bolt coming out that holds the bracket that holds the back section of the guard, and there's one bolt that goes on at the front, and the special solid guard goes over it. This will protect you from going over that one rock that you hit in the wrong place, and as you can see, it goes up, just protects it perfectly. It'll protect you from that one rock that goes up and hits in the wrong place and damages that carbon canister, and it will protect you from getting engine light thrown up on your dashboard. So as you can see, we've taken off the plastic guard. That does protect in city life, but when you're off-road doing things that Jimny people do, doesn't really protect. So that's off, and as you can see, the new guard is actually going on. Once again, special thanks to Craig and Heather for allowing me to have one of their spares that they had made. These were many prototypes that they had made for their own vehicle, and they had some spares, or one spare, and they sold it to me. So there you have it, all installed, extra protection for your carbon canister. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more awesome updates and tips.